So second house and seventh house. Taurus and Libra is ruled by Lord Venus, and Venus is a teacher who is a teacher many times of devils. So he is slightly malefic in some stories, and he was most malefic in the story of Lord Parshuram. In the story of Lord Parshuram, Venus was devil Sahasrarjun. So after killing Sahasrarjun, uh, Venus got salvation. So whenever your Venus is too much malefic, it don't get calm with any remedy. We worship Lord Parshuram, and when we worship Lord Parshuram, immediately Venus becomes calm and give some good results. And some people say that if it is written in chart, some denials of sexual energy Venus, then we may not get it. But even after good remedy of Lord Parshuram, Goddess Lakshmi, there are chances that Venus in your Kundli will start to behave good. Kundli means your body. Venus in your body will start to behave good. So Venus is god of money, and Bij mantra for Venus is Om Dran Drin Dron Sah Shukraya Nama. If Venus is malefic, we donate his energy. We donate rice and water, or uh, we and as well as to be good Venus consistently for all your human lives. You should respect women's, chant goddesses stuti songs, means you should worship goddesses sometimes, and Parshuram Stuti is class 1 remedy for Venus, because when Venus was malefic, King Sahasra Arjun, then Lord Parshuram means Lord Vishnu himself killed him, means Lord Parshuram was Lord Parshuram was Brahman by caste, means he was astrologer with caste, but when his mother father was killed by Sahasrarjun Venus, then he become very much angry, and he alone killed his all his army, very big army, with his divine weapon Parshu. So with that Parshu, he become Parshuram, and when we wear diamond, immediately Venus gets activated with positive energies, and if we don't have a budget, we can go for opal stone as well. So I will read this uh, pleasing stotra of Lord Venus or Shukra. Shukra stotram अथ शुक्र स्तोत्रम अस्य श्री शुक्र मंत्रस्य भारद्वाज ऋषि. In this way, Lord Venus chant by Bhardwaj Rishi. Gayatri Chanda Shukra Devatam means there are some musics, Gayatri music for Lord Venus. Shukra Pida Pariharte Jape Vinyoga means when we have pain from Venus, we should chant this mantra. Shukra Kavya Shukra Reta Shuklam Baradhara Sudhi means he is a poet. Uh, he is lovely. He is oval and sperm. Sh- Shuklambar means very beautiful cloth he like to wear. He is luxurious planet. Himamba Kunda Dhavala Shubhranshu Shukla Bhushanam means he is white mountains head. He is very beautiful planet plant uh, of Kunda Dhaval. Then he is white, and he like to wear too many jewelries. Nitidnya Niti Krunnitin Margam Gami Grahadipa means he is very divine king of uh, planets who like to be strategic. Means in Hindu literature there are six sciences: astrology, uh, judgment, strategy, economics, logic, and explanation. So he's strategic. In strategy, we usually avoid females, but Venus strategy or Shukraniti is one of the very deep, deep strategy to manage economics and manage life. And Venus is planet of billionaires, means many billionaires have good Venus in their chart. If Venus Jupiter are good and aspecting each other or doing some good exchange of houses, then there is very big money chances in life. नीति ज्ञानीति कृन्नीति मार्गगामी ग्रहाधिप उष्णा वेदां पारांग कविरात नवित means he is expert in Vedas and he is poet. भार्गव करुणा सिंधु ज्ञान और गम्य सुतप्रद means he is divine, he is kind, he is like his knowledge is like ocean, and he gives a chance on a single thread also. शुक्रस्ते सत्यानि नमामि शुक्रस्मृत्वा तुय पठित means we should worship Lord Venus and we should remember Lord Venus, and you should chant this stuti mantra of Shukra always. आयुर्धन सुख पुत्र लक्ष्मी वसति मुत्तमाम विद्या चैव स्वय तस्मै शुक्रस्तुषु तुष्टो ददाति च. When Venus Lord gets pleased with this stuti mantra, bij mantra, etc., then he gives you big life, big life, economy, luxury, happiness, sun, money, divineness, uh, knowledge, etc. We should only have to Shukra Tushto means only please Lord Venus. It is Sri Sandapurani Shukra Stotra Sampurnam. Means this Stotra Stuti was taken from Skand Puran. Whenever we chant any divine mantra, we should learn its meaning, otherwise many times it becomes fail. So Venus is Lord of Taurus.